Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Beyond the beach house, cultivating authentic French coastal style. Embrace the effortless elegance of the French coastline, where rustic charm meets timeless maritime style. This design theme moves beyond typical beach decor, offering a more sophisticated and collected approach to seaside living. It evokes the serene, windswept atmosphere of a cottage in Normandy or Brittany, where comfort and history are perfectly intertwined. The goal is to create a light-filled, airy home that feels both curated and deeply inviting. A key element in achieving this authentic look is the strategic use of classic navy and white nautical stripes. This video will help you cultivate this coveted style in every room of your home. The exterior should feel as if it has been gently weathered by the sea air over many years. Opt for a palette of soft gray stone, whitewashed timber, or pale cream render for the walls to achieve this timeless look. The garden is lush but intentionally relaxed, filled with hardy hydrangeas, fragrant lavender, and climbing roses that spill over pathways. Weathered wooden shutters in a slate blue or gray and a rustic, solid wood front door complete the home's authentic and charming curb appeal. Your entryway sets the sophisticated tone, offering a warm and welcoming first impression. Paint the walls a bright, clean white to reflect light and make the space feel open and airy. Introduce the nautical stripe theme with a bold, navy and white striped runner on the staircase or a single statement wall of wallpaper. Anchor the space with a simple, weathered wooden console table and a wicker basket for storing sandy shoes, blending function with effortless style. The living room in a French coastal home should be a sanctuary of relaxed comfort, inviting you to unwind and linger for hours. Anchor the space with a large, comfortable sofa upholstered in a light linen or neutral fabric to maintain an airy and open feeling. Introduce the iconic navy and white nautical stripes through an array of throw pillows and a cozy, draped blanket for a touch of maritime elegance. Natural textures are essential, so incorporate a woven jute rug, a driftwood coffee table, and a rattan basket for storing firewood or throws. Soft, billowing white curtains allow diffused light to flood the room, enhancing the serene and calming atmosphere. Finally, personalize the space with collected treasures like a vintage maritime map, a model sailboat, or simple seashells in a glass cloche. Transform your bedroom into a serene and personal retreat designed for ultimate rest and relaxation, far from the daily hustle. Choose a bed with a rustic, painted wooden frame or a gracefully curved wrought iron headboard to serve as the charming focal point. Dress the bed in crisp, navy and white striped linen sheets, using this pattern as the foundational layer of your nautical theme. Layer on the comfort with a plethora of textural elements like a chunky knit throw, and an assortment of cream and off-white pillows in various sizes. Soft, flowing white curtains not only frame the windows but also flutter gently in the breeze, adding a dreamy, soft touch to the space. Complete the look with weathered wooden nightstands and the soft glow of a ceramic table lamp to create a cozy and inviting ambience perfect for winding down. Create a dining area that feels both elegant and completely unfussy, perfect for long conversational meals. A solid wood farmhouse table, marked with character, serves as the heart of the room. For seating, mix and match painted wooden chairs, perhaps in a soft gray or white, to cultivate a collected over time feel. Introduce the nautical element with striped seat cushions or a single statement wallpaper on one wall, ensuring the overall ambience remains bright and airy rather than darkly thematic. The French coastal kitchen blends rustic charm with timeless functionality, favoring a lived-in elegance. Opt for classic shaker-style cabinetry painted in a soft white or a pale gray blue to keep the space feeling light. Butcher block countertops and open shelving displaying simple white pottery enhance the warm, utilitarian vibe. A navy and white striped runner in front of the sink or a backsplash of white subway tile with dark grout can subtly nod to the maritime theme without sacrificing sophistication. Transform your bathroom into a fresh, spa-like oasis reminiscent of a coastal getaway. White painted beadboard or tongue and groove paneling on the lower half of the walls adds instant character and a clean backdrop. Here, the nautical stripes can shine on the upper walls or through a stylish shower curtain, creating a crisp and graphic impact. Finalize the look with polished nickel or oil-rubbed bronze fixtures and plenty of fluffy white towels stacked on a simple wooden ladder for a touch of rustic texture.